Hello, in this video, I'm going to showcase you how Abilities API work with WP AI client. Okay, so we can install WP AI client via independent plugin as well. Okay, we can download it from GitHub repo directly and install it. But in my case, I'm just installing a plugin called AI Experiment. Okay, which has been developed by AI core team. And in this plugin, it contained WP AI client as well as PHP AI client via Composer package. Okay, once this plugin is installed, we have to click on settings. We have to enable all the experiment over here, and then basically we have to click on AI credentials and enter API key. We can enter any API key, whatever we want, basically whatever we have, and then click on save changes, because this plugin basically interacts with the AI or LLM via you can say it by PHP AI client, and like we have created a wrapper around that for WordPress, so which is called WP AI client. And PHP AI client can be used in any PHP applications, but for WordPress specific we have to use WP AI client. Okay, and here I have basically did. Now let me show you basically the abilities that has been added. Okay, so here previously, if you remember the last video, it used to have only two abilities from plugin side. Okay, but now it says we have 7, so 5 abilities were added. Let me show you an example of abilities where we will going to regenerate the title. Okay, so as soon as you click on title, you will see an option coming up over here which is called regenerate. And if you click on it, what is happening over here behind the scene, it is calling the ability, and then ability is calling the WP AI client, and then the WP AI client is calling PHP AI client, and by PHP AI client we are sending this data to LLM, and then we are again receiving the data from to PHP is passing it to WP, and then WP is passing to ability API, and here is the response of the LLM which we are seeing. And if we select this, it will going to override this, and we can simply click on save option. Here we have the same thing for example. Okay, suppose if we want to regenerate it, we can simply click on this, and it will going to regenerate a new exam for this for the post, and we can basically see, we can verify it, and then simply we can save it. So this is an example where we are displaying how Abilities API works with WP AI client directly.